Sit on the ground. Namaskara Mudra in front of the chest. Then we'll start chanting. Om. Repeat after me. Gurur Brahma. Gurur Brahma. You can open your eyes and learn. So when you are learned and start chanting, you can close your eyes and chant. Gurur Brahma. Repeat this 3 times. Pause it here. Repeat 3 times. Gurur Vishnu. Here the na. When you're pronouncing the na, your tongue has to touch the upper portion of your mouth. Na. Vishnu. It's not Vishnu. It's Vishnu. Gurur Vishnu. Repeat 3 times. Take your time. Gurur Devo. Gurur Devo. Pause it here. Repeat for 3 times. 3 or 5 times. How many times if you want to. You should feel comfortable. Maheshwaraha. Maheshwaraha. Repeat again. Pause and repeat for 3 to 5 times. So we have finished with the complete one line. So let's start saying together if possible. If not, you can repeat after me also. Om Gurur Brahma. Gurur Vishnu. Gurur Devo. Maheshwaraha. So this is the first line. Please repeat it 3 to 5 times. Feel comfortable. So you should be in a position of you would have already memorized it. So without any help of any script or anything, you should be able to say this first line. We'll go for the next line. Gurur Sakshat. Gurur Sakshat. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Para Brahma. Para Brahma. Repeat it. Tasmai Shri. Tasmai Shri. Repeat. Gurave Namaha. Gurave Namaha. Please keep on repeating this. This Gurave Namaha. Yes. So we'll tell the complete second line now. So we have chanted the first line. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwaraha. Next is Gurur Sakshat. Para Brahma. Tasmai Shri. Gurave Namaha. So this is the second line. Please keep repeating the second line around some 5 to 10 times. However, you feel comfortable, how many times you want to keep on repeating or reciting. So once you're done with this, we'll tell the complete shloka. You would have paused here. Then once you're ready, please again play the button. We'll start. Om Gurur Brahma. Gurur Vishnu. Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Gurur Sakshat Para Brahma. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The same shloka Shloka, keep repeating around 2 to 3 times. So it will you until you feel comfortable. Go back, repeat it, go back, repeat it. Just keep on repeating, and as I chant, you can also chant with me. You can also recite with me so that you will feel more comfortable and you will get a clear pronunciation of the words and the letters. Fine. As you saw here, there won't be any kind of a subtitles that will be running down because I want you to concentrate completely on my lip sync, completely on my pronunciation, so that you will understand the pronunciation and start memorizing the words and the lines. So, which is very important. So, intentionally, there won't be any kind of a subtitles you will be finding in this video, but at the end of the video, there will be a complete. The shloka will be there at the end of the video with the meaning that will be given to you. But again, for the children, I won't recommend to see those scriptures or script. It is only for the adult if you are looking into. So children, I want you to memorize completely. Do not go into the any kind of a script that you want to. Please start memorizing, recall, and collect it, everything. So this will improve your focus and concentration very much. It will help you a lot in concentration, and your memory will improve drastically, gradually and slowly, but wonderfully. Wonderfully, right? So thank you so much for learning this. So the entire course will be just like this. There will be many more shlokas and stotras that we will be learning in this entire course. Nearly around 25 shlokas, the small stotras we will be learning in this entire course. I really tell you that this gonna be very helpful for you, and you will enjoy this complete course. And after this course, you will be in a position to recite all the mantras and shlokas without any reference, without any looking into any kind of a scripts. So you will be so much confident and ready with all the 25 shlokas or the stotras. So this is all about the course details. If you have any other doubts, you can just approach me at any time, or you can leave a feedback to me also. I hope you like this course and you will be choosing this course, and I welcome you all heartily for the entire course, the Shloka Stotra Beginners course. Thank you. Namaskara.